Have you ever walked into someone's house and wondered how they can live with so much clutter? Dishes pile up. Laundry sits for days. Things keep accumulating. Most people assume it's laziness, but psychology says the reason is often much deeper than that. 1. They feel overwhelmed before they even start. For some people, the mess becomes so large that their brain sees it as one giant problem. Instead of focusing on one small task, they see everything at once. This creates mental overload, and when the brain feels overwhelmed, it often chooses avoidance, so nothing gets done. 2. They don't get an immediate reward. The brain likes activities that provide quick satisfaction. Cleaning takes effort first and reward later. Compared to scrolling, watching videos, or other instant pleasures, cleaning feels less motivating. So the brain keeps pushing it down the priority list. This makes procrastination more likely. 3. Stress drains. Their mental energy psychology shows that stress affects decision-making and motivation. When people are mentally exhausted, basic tasks can feel much harder. Even simple cleaning can seem like too much work. Their energy goes toward getting through the day, and household tasks get left behind. 4. They stop noticing the mess. This sounds strange, but the brain adapts to repeated environments. Over time, clutter becomes normal. What looks chaotic to a visitor may barely register to the person living there. Their attention filters it out, so there's less internal pressure to clean. 5. They associate cleaning with negative experiences. For some people, cleaning is connected to criticism, pressure, or conflict from childhood. The task carries emotional baggage. So when they think about cleaning, they don't just think about chores. They unconsciously reconnect with those unpleasant feelings. This makes avoidance more likely. The next time you see someone living in a messy space, don't assume you know the reason. Psychology often reveals a deeper story. Subscribe for more real psychology that helps you understand human behavior in ways most people never do.